Today we are going to discuss the problems on center of mass. Problems on center of mass. Particle of masses 1 gram, 2 gram, 3 gram, 4 gram are placed at x equal to 1 centimeter, x equal to 2 centimeter, x equal to 3 centimeter and x equal to 4 centimeter respectively. Then find XCM, center of mass of the particles. See here, M1 is equal to 1 gram, M2 is equal to 2 gram, M3 is equal to 3 gram, M4 is equal to 4 gram. Corresponding positions of the particles given, x equal to 1 centimeter, x2 is equal to 2 centimeter, x3 is equal to 3 centimeters, x4 is equal to 4 centimeters. Then we can write the expression XCM is equal to M1x1 plus M2x2 plus M3x3 plus M4x4 by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4. XCM is equal to M1x1 plus M2x2 plus M3x3 plus M4x4 by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4. M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4. So that XCM can be written as, say, what about M1? 1. X1, 1. So 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That equal to 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 by 1 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. That equal to 5, 16 and 9, 25. 25 of 5, 30. 30 by 10, that is equal to 3 centimeter is the position of the center of mass. 3 centimeter is the position of the center of mass. Dear students, please subscribe this channel for the very valuable important videos will be sent to you, and on your request I will create the videos and surely I will forward them for you. So that please subscribe this channel to get your goal, to reach your goal. Okay, important problems as well as important concept will be created for you. Okay. Okay, now here is the problem as like the previous problem. Center of mass of two particles with the masses 2 kg and 1 kg located at 1, 0, 1 and 2, 2, 0 has the coordinates of. So we have to find the coordinates of center of mass. Let us consider here M1 is equal to 2 kg, M2 is equal to 1 kg. Here we have x1, y1, z1 are the coordinates. Here we have x2, y2, z2. So that XCM is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus, oh no, just we have only two coordinates, as we have only two coordinates, m1 x1 plus m2 x2, and so here XCM can be, okay, what about the center of mass of coordinate system? XCM, YCM, ZCM we have defined, okay. So that by M1 plus M2, that equal to M1, 2 into X1, 1, plus M2, 1 into X2, 2 by masses 2 plus 1, that is equal to 2 plus 2 by 3, that equal to 4 by 3. XCM is equal to 4 by 3. XCM is equal to 4 by 3. And now YCM is equal to M1 Y1 plus M2 Y2 by M1 plus M2. masses m1, m2, y1 coordinates y1 and y2 we have to take. So that m1 y1 2 into y1 value 0 plus m2 1 into 2 by m1 plus m2 2 plus 1 that equal to 0 plus 2 by 3 that equal to 2 by 3. YCM is equal to 2 by 3. YCM is equal to 2 by 3. Now ZCM is equal to m1 z1 plus m2 z2 by m1 plus m2. What about m1? 2 into z1 1 plus mass, second mass 1 into 0 by 1 into 0 by 2 plus 1 that is equal to 2 plus 0 by 3 that equal to 2 by 3. So ZCM is equal to 2 by 3. So that coordinate center of mass of coordinate system say XCM, YCM, ZCM is equal to 4 by 3, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. 4 by 3, 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Now here we have very important model and a very interesting problem. The coordinates of a center of mass of particles of masses 10, 20 and 30 grams are located at 1, 1, 1 centimeter. That is XCM, YCM, ZCM is given. The position of coordinates of mass 40 gram which when added to the system, the position of the combined center of mass be at 0, 0, 0 r. That means here we have the 3 particles. And then when 3 particles are there, center of mass, coordinates of center of mass 1, 1, 1. When other mass is introduced in the system of particles. So here we have 4 masses. Then center of mass becomes or shifted to the 0, 0, 0. Then we have to find the position of the center of mass. Then we have to find the position coordinates. Position coordinates we have to find. That is x4, y4, z4 we have to take. As we are provided with coordinates of center of masses. Here we have coordinates of center of mass for 3 particles. After when other particle is added, then coordinates of center of mass becomes 0, 0, 0. So that for that we have to solve first position coordinates. Like expression using 3 particle system. Say XCM is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. See here 10 grams m1 mass 20, m2 grams 30, m3 grams. Here 1 XCM, YCM and ZCM. So instead of XCM we have to write say 1. That implies 1 equal to m1 10 into x1 plus next mass m2 20 into x2 plus 30 into x3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 10 plus 20 plus 30. That implies 10 x1 plus 20 x2 plus 30 x3 is equal to 60. Say expression number 1. Now YCM is equal to m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus m3 y3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. That implies 1 is equal to, for that also similarly we can get similar answer, that is 10 into x1 plus 20 into x2 plus 30 into x3 by 10 plus 20 plus 30. That implies 10x1 plus 20x2 plus 30x3 is equal to 20. That is for 20. And that is for second equation. And for ZCM in similar manner, similarly we can obtain 10x1 plus 20x2 plus 30x3 is equal to 60. So need not to find the each and every coordinate. If we determine the position coordinate of x1, y1 also as well as z1 also same. So that I will find when fourth particle of mass 40 gram is introduced. 40 gram is introduced. Then I will write xcm is equal to m1x1 plus m2x2 plus m3x3 plus m4x4 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4. That implies xcm after m4 is joined, xcm is 0. xcm, ycm, zcm. So that 0 is equal to m1x1. See here, we know from expression number 1 or equation number 1, m1x1 plus m2x2 plus m3x3 is as same as expression 1 only na. m1 10 grams, m2 20 gram, m3 30 gram. So I can write 10x1 plus 20x2 plus 30x3 by 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus fourth expression is same 40x4 by 40. 40x4 by 40. So that we can obtain, instead of 10x1 plus 20x2 plus 30x3, I can write 60. 0 is equal to 60 plus 40x4. Next, if it is taken to this side means it becomes 0. Yes or no? 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 is not 0. So the numerator must be 0. So that implies 40x4 is equal to minus 60. That implies x4 is equal to minus 6 by 4. That is equal to minus 3 by 2. As x4 is equal to minus 3 by 2, as symmetry we have x4 y4 z4 is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 will be the expression, is the answer. Okay, my dear students, please subscribe the channel Anil's Advaita. Please subscribe. Valuable as well as very important problems will be made for you. I will do it for you on your request. I will make the videos on your request, whatever the topics you request. Okay, thank you. Okay, here also we have a different question but with the same formula. Different question but with the same formula. We have to use some mathematical formula here. So here we have the problem: particles of masses m, 2m, 3m and so on nm grams are placed on the same line at a distance of L, 2L, 3L and so on nl centimeter from a fixed point. The distance of center of mass of the particles. The distance of center of mass of the particles from fixed point in centimeter. Okay. So what is the formula? That is nothing but say center of mass formula is nothing but say xcm is equal to m1x1 plus m2x2 plus m3x3 plus and so on plus mnxn by m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus and so on mn plus and so on mn about the masses, of course. See, this is m1, m2, m3, mn. Lengths x1, x2, x3, xn. Okay, xn. So it is easy, simple, it's clear. We have to substitute that in that given expression, a formula that is nothing but say xcm is equal to m1 m into x1 L plus m2 2m into x2 2L plus 3m into 3L plus and so on nm is the mass, Nm is the nth mass, and for nth mass length Nl by m1, m plus 2m plus 3m plus and so on plus nm and so on nm. By observing this one, here we have m as well as l is constant. M as well as l is as constant. Of course, I will write ml by keeping ml is the constant. ml into 1 plus 2 into 2, 2 square plus 3 into 3, 3 square plus and so on, n into n, n square by m into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on n and so on n. Here m as well as m gets cancelled. M and m gets cancelled. Now it can be written as that is the progression L into n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 by in the denominator also we have n into n plus 1 by 2 is the n into n plus 1 is the expression for progression. Okay, for progression. So that 2 1s, 2 3s, n into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 gets cancelled. So 2n plus 1 into L by 2n plus 1 into L by 3. 2n plus 1 into L by 3 is the distance of center of mass, that is xm is equal to 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 into L by 3. So now here we have other question, that is somewhat good application. That is 1.5 a thin uniform rod. 1.5 a thin uniform rod of length capital and mass m1 is riveted to the center of a uniform circular disc of radius small r and mass m2, so that both are coplanar. Both are coplanar. The center of mass of combination from center of the disc is. So let us consider it is the disc. It is the disc of radius small r and mass is given as a m2. Mass is given as m2. So this is the center. Now 1.5 thin uniform rod of length L. Let us consider here we have a thin uniform rod of length. Both are attached at the center of the, given that both are attached at the center of circular disc, whose mass is say m1. Whose mass is say m1, as well as length of the rod is say L. Length of the rod is L. This is m2. Radius is r2. Of course, according to the geometrical center for symmetric bodies, geometrical center will be the center of mass. Geometrical center will be the center of mass. So for that, metallic rod, where will be the center of mass for metallic rod? That will be at L by 2. In case of metallic rod, x1 will be taken as say L by 2, and for the circular disc that will be located at geometrical center. Center of mass of disc will be located at geometrical center, and hence it can be taken as say x2 is equal to 0. Why? Because of coordinates 0, 0, and here we have to take the center of the disc. Okay, attached point of attachment of two bodies is taken at 0, 0. So here coordinates will be taken as a 0, 0. So now for these two distances we have the xcm is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. For that system of two bodies, mass of the first body m1 and say length L by 2 up to the center of mass. Of course, somewhere xm is located. Plus m2, capital M2, and that is located at 0. Okay, we have to take the center is as the coordinate 0 coordinate, so that m1 plus m2 we have to write. So final expression is nothing but say m1 into L by 2 into m1 plus m2 is the xcm, that is center of mass, xcm. It's a very important problem. Good application. Here we have three particles of masses 1 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg are placed at the vertices of A, B, C of equilateral triangle ABC. If A and B lies at 0, 0 and 1, 0 meter, coordinates of center of mass are. It's very important for IPE exam also. It's very important for intermediate public examinations also. So here we have three particles of masses are kept at three vertices of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means three sides are same. Equilateral triangle means three sides are same. And let us consider the coordinates given as say 0, 0. That means point A will be located. Vertices will be located at 0, 0. So here this is 0, 0. 0, 0. This is A and B 1, 0. C we have to find. We don't know. And 1 kg is here. Here M1 is equal to 1 kg. Here M2 is equal to 2 kg. Here M3 is equal to 3 kg. Here M3 is equal to 3 kg. So that as we have x1, see here from here to here 1, 0 is given. That's why side will be 1 meter. Completed. This will be 1 meter. This will be 1 meter. And hence it will be the complete distance is 1 meter between A and B. Then let us consider the point D. If this is half meter and this is half meter. By finding these coordinates, we can easily find the coordinate system. That is XCM is equal to M1x1 plus M2x2 plus M3x3. XCM is equal to M1x1 plus M2x2 plus M3x3 by M1 plus M2 plus M3. In that similar manner, YCM also we can determine. That is YCM is equal to M1y1 plus M2y2 plus M3y3 by M1 plus M2 plus M3. But now where the problem occurs is nothing but we don't know the coordinates of x3 as well as y3. Here we have x1, y1, x2, y2. What about x3, y3? For that, consider the triangle. Consider the triangle ADC. From triangle ADC right angle triangle, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. That implies CD square is equal to AC square minus AD square. Now CD square that can be written as AC square. AC square is nothing but 1 square minus AD square. AD square half meter, half square. So 1 minus 1 by 4 that equal to 3 by 4. CD is equal to root of 3 by 4 that is equal to root 3 by 2. This is parallel to y axis, that is why y3 can be written as say root 3 by 2. But from A to D, his distance will be considered as say x3. So from here to here x3. So x3 distance will be say 1, 2. So coordinates determined, that is x3, y3 are half and root 3 by 2. So now by substituting them in the given expression, we have M1x1. What is about the mass? 1 into x1 0 plus M2 2 into 1 plus M3 3 into 1 by 2 by 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is equal to 2 plus 3 by 2 by 6. 4 plus 3 by 12, that is 7 by 12. XCM is given as say 7 by 12. XCM is 7 by 12 meter. Next, what about YCM? That is equal to M1 1 into Y1 0 plus M2 2 into coordinate 0 plus M3 3 into root 3 by 2. 3 into root 3 by 2 by M1 plus M2 plus M3. 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is equal to 0 plus 3 root 3 by 2 by 6. That is equal to 3 root 3 by 6 into 2. 3 ones, 3 twos. That is root 3 by 14. Root 3 by 14. Now answer will be root 3 by 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now answer XCM comma YCM is equal to XCM comma YCM is equal to 7 by 12. This is the answer. XCM comma YCM root 3 by 4 is the answer for given problem. Okay. My dear students, please subscribe the channel, our Anil Sadvaita channel, okay, for more videos. Now here vector model problem is that using the position vector concept, we have to solve this problem. And we know that is nothing but RCM. Position RCM is equal to M1 R1 plus M2 R2 by M1 plus M2. Here we have, it's very simple, it's M1 M2. And will be considered say R1 bar, and this is the expression say R2 bar. Okay. Now that equal to, what about the mass? First mass, that is 1 into R1 bar 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 13k cap plus what about M2? 3 into R2 bar is minus 6i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap by 1 plus 3, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 2i cap plus 5j cap plus 13k cap minus 18i cap plus 12j cap minus 6k cap. Now 1 by 4 into 2i plus minus 18i, that is minus 16i cap plus 5j plus 12j 17j cap plus 13 minus 6 7k cap. 7k cap will be the RCM, that is RCM.